It is Monday, the 23rd of April, the 23rd of March, and I am overwhelmed with everything going on. I am not overwhelmed by that. What I'm overwhelmed by is all the comments and love and views and shares of my last vlog. It is insane. It is like, I know that I keep saying it's insane, but to me it's honestly like, when I made the vlog, I didn't expect to get so much love. This video is my most watched video within, what is it? So in the last 22 hours, it's ranking #1 with 920 views. And my second ranking video has 670 views. So that's like, it's not 200, it's not 300, it's like right in the middle right there. I don't really want to do math right now, but it's a lot. And I have had so many comments and I haven't replied to all of them yet. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Oh my god, those were a lot of comments. I appreciate every one of you. And I'm just so freaking grateful for comments. Like, I just want to reply to all of them because usually, if you think about it, you're already watching my video and then you just want to say something to me or just say great video or something. I mean, how many times do you watch a video and then move on to the next video? I'm definitely guilty of that. Realizing that just makes me super grateful for these comments. Like, I'm so excited about them. So thank you so much, and definitely keep them coming because they make me very happy. I mean, they make me happy. This one and this one. What are you? What? Why? I can't take you seriously like this, Gizmo. Look at you. Look at how ridiculous you look. They have no issue living in isolation. I do. I do. I feel really bad for vlogging and not talking about it. I feel really bad about vlogging about nothing, but I guess that's just the way it is. That's just how we're going to do these vlogs. I am very happy about these movies. These are very exciting times for me. I always get so excited when I drink a smoothie because it feels like I'm on top of the world. I always feel so healthy and so in shape and like I can run 10K and just, I feel so great when I drink a smoothie, but reality is I can't do any of those things. I'm about to go outside after I drink this smoothie because my friend is about to be here and I know what you're all thinking. And let me just clarify. In the Netherlands, if you may or may not know, but we are not on full lockdown. So we're still allowed to go outside as long as we keep our distance, as long as we wash our hands and all that stuff. We're being very responsible because I am at risk as well because I'm a risk patient. So I would never do anything that could harm others, but also I would not do anything that could put myself at risk, like going outside and going to public places where there's a lot of people. Don't worry, I'm just going to go outside like I usually do, but this time I'm going with a friend who's going to be at least 6 feet apart. So excited about that because it's my first face-to-face contact in a week. Which is crazy. It's crazy. I'm going a little bit crazy. Oh my god, I cannot tell you how happy I am that I have gone on a walk. We talked about everything and it was so good. I feel so much better now because when you have no social contact whatsoever, it is hard. It is really hard. And I cannot even imagine what it's like for people who hang out with other people like all the time, because that's not me. So I cannot even imagine what it's like for them. But I'm very happy that we did it because I feel so much better now. I'm going to drink some tea now, and I still need to make a video. Before I start filming, I just wanna show you this, because I've had some questions last time for my last vlog where you guys saw this and you were like, what is that keyboard? And this is an editing keyboard, and this keyboard was sent to me by Editor Keys. This video is not sponsored by them. They don't know that I'm saying this right now, but they sent me a package with this keyboard, a headset, and a microphone that I'm all testing out, and if I like it, I'm gonna share it with you. Now let's start filming before they want to start make money downstairs. I just realized that we haven't seen Gizmo all day, have we? He just woke up. Hey Gizmo. Hey Gizmo, what are you wearing? Are you wearing a little bow tie? Oh. So Gizmo Gizmo is wearing a little bow tie because he was watching the last vlog and he was like, I should make myself a little bit prettier. So do you feel better now? Oh. I tried to film a video last night, but I just didn't like it. It was dark, so I thought, you know what, maybe I should just do it with maybe oh my god. Are you done? Ridiculous. I just didn't like the look. I really didn't like the look, so I didn't do it. So I have to film the video now. I want your opinion. I need your advice because I'm so sick of it. I don't like my house. I was editing the other vlog and I saw my house and it's seriously? I never took the time to decorate it, and oh my god. Oh my god, I need to living in isolation with your cats is a no-no. Look at the face. Haley, what did you do? Smelly cat, smelly cat. It's not your fault. I never really took the time to decorate it, so I'm not really happy with what my house looks like. For example, like I still need to get rid of this one, but I kept it because it's big and I like it, but I need to get rid of it. I need to sell it. I need to sell that one as well. I need to get rid of this thing. Those are all things that at one point you're just like, eh. Right now I'm super bored with what it looks like, but I'll show you one thing that I thought was super smart when I decided to redo my house, and that was this. This doesn't make any sense. When you just see it like this, you're just like, what? But here's a scratching thingy. And I made this for my cats because what I saw online was that cats actually use that, and then they can scratch right here. And I thought that would be fun, but they're not doing it. And I've had this thing for 1 or 2 years now and they haven't used it, so I want to get rid of that as well, because maybe I could just like put a big nice frame up here or something. Basically what I want to do with this room is just make it my YouTube room. So I want to make this into a set, into a studio. So I want your help, so I'm gonna show you what it looks like, and then please put your suggestions in the comments of what you think would work for my studio. And I know sound panels are a must. He is so confused right now because I actually took a second to clear everything in the room so that you can see the potential, hopefully, a little bit. So, okay, so don't mind the mess, but this is the space that I have. And then I was thinking of putting my piano right there. And then using this entire space. What do you think about this, Gizmo? You like it or not? Should I do it? Should I do it? Oh. Gizmo is sleeping right now, and I already put a camera up because I'm gonna do something that is so funny. He's still sleeping. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get his treats, and I'm filming the reaction right now when he hears this, so. Here's the treats. He heard the treats. Oh, here he comes, here he comes, here he comes, here he comes. Yay! Treats for everyone! You get some treats, and you get some treats.